handcuffs on me?
Huh?
You police that handcuffs on me?
No.
No,
You got anything on you?
Negative.
Nothing that's gonna stick me?
No, sir.
No? Okay.
Negative at all.
Yeah.
I'm not the type of individual.
On the 22nd of January 2026, officers ejected a patron from a music venue for disruptive behavior. His claim, "I'm an American," reflects a real but incorrect understanding of the law. The First Amendment restrains government, not private property owners. It does not require a venue to tolerate disruptive conduct. Under Lloyd Corp v. Tanner, privately owned venues have no constitutional obligation to permit disruptive activity. A venue can remove a patron for any non-discriminatory reason. Citizenship and state of origin confer no right to remain after a lawful ejection order. Once the ejection order was given and refused, continued presence became criminal trespass. Probable cause rested on two independent grounds under Illinois v. Gates: first-hand observation of disorderly conduct, and the subject's failure to comply with the ejection order. Either ground alone was sufficient. The decision to arrest rather than continue seeking compliance was made when the subject physically moved toward the officer. That movement during a law enforcement removal elevated the encounter. Physical advancement toward an officer during a lawful command is an aggravating factor justifying immediate detention. The subject's handcuff complaints are evaluated under Kingsley v. Hendrickson objective reasonableness for pretrial detainees. The officer's response, "That's what happens when you go in the cuffs," was dismissive. A finger test and double lock confirmation would have been procedurally correct and de-escalating.
He's right in front of the stage down there. He's not really hurting anybody, but like his animations and he's taking his shirt off again. Yeah, get him out of here. Sorry, man.
Might not be your favorite, might not be the best, but it's perfect, and I'll tell you why. Because this next verse really ties the room together. It's all about mama, and trains, and trucks, and prison, and most importantly, like every good country song, it's about getting drunk. It goes like this. Speaking of which, well, I was drunk the day my mama got out of prison. And I ran to pick her up. Alright? But before I could get to the station in my pickup truck, I ran over by that north way. Someone hang around as long as you will let me. I'm sorry.
What's up?
But you don't have to call me darling.
Don't relax. Don't relax.
You never call me.
You're not supposed to go, right? Like, well, you're not supposed to get a ball rush. Thanks, gents.
Good, can you walk?
Oh, man. Everything right up there. The handcuffs on me?
Huh?
You police that handcuffs on me?
No.
No,
You got anything on you?
Negative.
Nothing that's gonna stick me?
No, sir.
No? Okay.
Negative at all.
Yeah.
I'm not the type of individual.
Why
That's
don't you
why I
leave,
asked
man?
you
He
to,
told
like,
you to leave.
because they're fucking, like, arrogant ass motherfuckers right there.
I told you to leave.
He told you to leave.
You did?
Yeah.
Yeah, you turned around and then you started walking towards it when I was walking in.
Oh, honestly. I did not know that was for a cop, man.
Well, he has a whole uniform, so.
Oh, well, hell, let me be honest with you. That was negative on that part. You can check me all the way you want to, sir. I don't know. I'm not a rude individual. Especially when it comes to cops.
I don't know, you look like you were arguing with my partner, so.
No, sir.
No, it definitely looked like it, the way you were taking steps towards him, and so.
Well, pardon me. Excuse me for my attitude. I don't mean to be that way. I'm an arrogant.
I just didn't like the way you were walking up on it, that's all.
Pardon me. You're arrogant. I tell you, what the fuck? You the boy.
I'm trying to make it sound like I got punked.
Because if you get punked, bro.
That's how you're trying to say.
There is a punk.
No, I said he didn't get punked.
Yeah, I ain't gonna fucking punk.
I'm not talking to you, bro.
Excuse me. I'd rather go to jail than a punk. You can search me all you want to. I'm just on the right side, the middle if you want to find it.
What do you got over here?
Negative. Nothing.
Nothing.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Hey, look, I'm an arrogant. I'm a Mississippi boy. Hey, look, I carry myself a certain way.
I know, I hear you, bro. I hear you. Sorry.
Yeah, I ain't gonna put up a little fucking fuck shit. You know what I'm saying? You can search me all you fucking want.
When they tell you gotta go, you gotta go, though.
Yeah, fuck them boys.
That's the problem.
I ain't no faggot.
All right, well.
Please take them handcuffs on my...
All right, brother. No, I can't.
Yeah, please.
No, you're going to jail, man.
Thank you.
No, these are staying on.
Are they?
Yep.
Oh, that's America, man. Don't fight them up, man.
All right, brother. Yeah, come over here.
Yes, sir.
You're going in the back, right here.
Right.
Can you stand?
I understand.
Here, step back.
I got it.
All right. Hop in. All right. Just relax.
Yes, sir.
9-8, one in custody, male.
Officers receive a B+. Patience throughout a profane encounter was professional. Arrest was not premature. Criminal history confirmed before transport. The grade drops for 2 gaps. The handcuff complaint was dismissed rather than documented, and a final warning before arrest might have allowed voluntary compliance. The subject receives a C-. Post-arrest cooperation and honest self-reflection are genuine credits. But the escalating sequence was self-created. Disruptive behavior, refusal to leave, and physical movement toward an officer. Identity claims carry no legal weight on private property after a lawful ejection order.
tighten that shit on my fucking wrist, man.
What's up?
Y'all tighten that shit on my wrist, man.
That's what happens when you go into cuffs.
I'm doing another one in gym. I was just trying to, I was just talking to the 305 370 2228. I was just talking to the fire chief today. I'm like, I'm doing another one in gym. Well, hey guys, thanks for the
Yeah, if you need anything else, reach out.
Is that his?
Of course.
Yes.
Yeah.
All his stuff.
Did you run him on too?
Yep, he's in the car.
I got it.
All right, let me save. All right,
I'm gonna put it in the back. You said you ran him on too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's still on. Hold on.
3 takeaways. First, the First Amendment does not follow you onto private property. A private venue can remove you for any non-discriminatory reason. I'm an American is an expression of identity. It is not a legal defense to trespass. Second, refusal to comply with a venue ejection is not a civil dispute. It is criminal trespass. The transition happens the moment a lawful notice to leave is given and ignored. The longer you stay, the stronger the charge. Third, physical movement toward an officer during a lawful command changes the legal character of the encounter. It is not neutral. Courts evaluate the arrest decision from the officer's perspective at that moment, not in hindsight. Let us know if there is a legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.